Here's a little something different from Las Calles. Got a couple of REs here. So it's my first time checking these guys out. You get two Desmadre Way and got this one. Things came out a while back, but Trucha. And this is their Valentine's Day drop, so check them out. Pretty cool. And I say this madre a lot, so that's funny. I think it's also they took it out. It's pretty much what it looks like. Yep, it's supposed to look like a street sign. And the other one's just clear. Doesn't glow in the dark or anything, but be kind of cool if it did glow in the dark. There you go. This one's slightly bigger too. Yeah, pretty cool REs and a little bit different than what I normally get.